One of the best pieces of advice I have ever received in my life revolves around the power of selective support. With numerous goals and aspirations in mind, I sought guidance from my mentor who shared invaluable wisdom. He emphasized that amidst the crowd of naysayers and discouragers, what truly matters is finding one or two individuals who genuinely comprehend your vision. These are the collaborators who stand by your side, propelling you forward on your journey. In turn, you reciprocate their support, creating a symbiotic relationship where mutual growth flourishes. Here, vulnerability is welcomed and failures are not stumbling blocks but stepping stones to success. It's a philosophy that is transformed my approach to life. I invite you to attend my free financial harmony and prosperity webinar where I will teach you 3 secrets to achieve financial harmony and prosperity in your life. Link in the comments. Click the link and register your name. See you. Thank you. Stay positive.